Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for late update, I was a bit busy, but here comes another new recipe, and today I'm going to share with you a noodle recipe, but no, not the regular noodle recipe. This is going to be Singaporean rice noodle recipe, which is very yummy and very flavorful, and often you will find it in restaurants. So I'm going to share with you restaurant style Singaporean rice noodle recipe. So without further saying, let's get started. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so that you get all the notification of my further video. So let's get started and make Singaporean rice noodle recipe. For that, here in a pan I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and let it get nice and hot. And it's nice and hot, so in that I'm going to add chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon. Fry it for 30 seconds on high flame. Then on the high flame as well, I'm going to add 1 medium sized onion sliced, because it's oriental recipe, so I'm going to do the frying process in high flame. Next goes in half a cup of carrot cut into juliennes. We're going to stir fry all the vegetables, and stir fry is done on high flame. Next goes 1 cup of cabbage julienne, like this. Toss it, and within no time it will tilt as well. We are going to keep the vegetables crunchy a little bit. Next goes in some bell peppers, red, yellow and green bell peppers, sliced thinly. Next I'm going to add salt. Use less amount of salt because we are going to use some sauces which are equally salty. So mix it. Now I'm going to turn off the heat, and here in another gas I'm boiling up some water, large amount of water. I have added 1 tablespoon of salt in there. In this boiling water, into this large vessel, I'm going to add 1 packet of rice noodle. They are very delicate one, so you don't need to boil them much. Just add them and let it soak into the water and boil it for 2 minutes only till they become soft, and do it over high flame. Try to break it down a bit so that all the rice noodles are separated from each other and cooked through. And within 2 minutes they are done. Now I'm going to strain it and remove all the hot water. Then I'm going to wash it or rinse it with cold water to stop the cooking process further. So rinse it with lots of cold water. Shake off all the excess water and throw away that starchy water. Next I'm going to add oil, spread it, and then I'm going to toss it so that all the noodles are coated with this oil so that they don't stick to each other. This will prevent from the noodles from sticking to each other. Next I'm going to spread it into this large bowl, and that's it. Now back to the veggies. They are quite done. Now turn on the gas and make a well, and into that well I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. I have done this process because that way soy sauce will release all its aroma. Mix it. Then I'm going to add the boiled rice noodle. and then I'm going to add other ingredients. Sorry, 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, and then tomato ketchup, 1.5 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. That's it. Now I'm going to toss everything together. Do it carefully and light-handedly so that you don't break the noodles, because they are very, very thin and very, very delicate. Use 2 spoons like this for the process. Now it's done and ready to serve. And here, voila, our Singaporean rice noodle is ready, which is as tasty as the restaurant one and looks delicious. Trust me, make this recipe for your friends and family and the kids. They're going to love it, and it will be a hit recipe for you. So do make this recipe and let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you.